Nakakaduling. Don't put spicy. Thank you so much. Hey, ang daming seafood. This is my outfit for today. As you know, I'm staying at Ginza. So, Tsukiji Market is just about like 10 minutes away from me. Napaka-warm ko naman tignan. Pero kasi sabi 1 degree. So, I'm thinking if I should wear this. Good morning! Today is January 27, 2026 and it's my birthday! So we're just going straight kasi dun daw yung Tsukiji Market. So we're just gonna check in quickly and grab some food. I already bring my cash. So, ang ganda, nakita ko yung bridge. Nahiya ko pero I ordered it though. Yeah, this one. They give me tea as well. It's only $9 Canadian. So it's like 900 yen. Don't put spicy. Ang heavy ng rice niya. Pero nakakayang di ko ubusin. Oh, ayan na, nag-ready na sila. Oh, Daifuku Mochi. May pila, guys. Anong tawag dun? Oniri? I don't know. Hey, ang daming seafood. I want. Gusto ko lahat. Ang daming Daifuku na nagbebenta. Oh, that's so cute. Yometo Coffee Head Shop. Should we grab some coffee ba? I'm not sure what kind of coffee they have eh. Let's see. Ojicha latte? Ice?
Ice?
Yeah, ice ojicha
Regular
latte.
one.
Regular.
Stay here.
Yeah.
店内アイスほうじ茶ラテ入ります。
I order 1 toast cheese and we're waiting for that. Sarap. OA ko pero I love hojicha so much. It was so dark out here. Wow. Nakakaduling. Wow. Ganda. Hi. Sabi nila, pwede daw ako mag-catch ng instinct animal, pero di ko alam kung paano eh. Wait. Kakatapos lang natin ang Team Love Planet. Experience 10 out of 10. There's a lot of things to explore of. Ang ganda, as in like yung mga flowers, yung mga immersive, sobrang ganda. I think worth it yung binayaran ko. I book it through Klook. If you have like a Klook app, you can book it there. I think mga nasa $27 yung binayaran ko nun. Tapos, binigyan nila ako ng, yung binook ko siya, nakakuha ko ng 5 gigabyte na eSIM. So, diba? Not bad at all. So, yun lang for my experience. I enjoy it. May locker sila sa loob. Sure na you're wearing appropriate clothes. Kung naka-skirt ka, siguro mag-short ka sa loob. Kasi yung floor nila, mirror. So, although nagbibigay naman sila, may renta ata sila ng towel or para di makita yung loob ng skirt mo. Yan, ngayon nag-walk naman ako papunta Skytree. I think 13 minutes walk lang naman. Paano kaya ito yung uwi? Wow. Para akong nabingibi. Siguro kasi ang taas. Like, para ako nasa aeroplano. Look. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow, nakakahilos din. Mamaya mag-dinner. Uy, may photo. Commemorative photography. How much? $1,500. $15.
Mini size for free.
Mini size for free?
Yeah, mini size.
Three, two, right? Time, three. Let me check. Hi, Oculus, Matsuri.
Highest point niya is 450. Siguro may pataas pa ba to? Hindi ko sure. 450 yun.
Here, charot.
Ang ganda ya. Paano kaya kapag walang elevator, no?
Bro. Lupay-pay.
Para nag-leg day. Ano na escalator? Ay, ganyan lang. Oo, nakakahilo. Oo. Oo. Oh my gosh. Oo. Oh, grabe. What? Nakakatakot yung mga bata, tumatalon. Ang video ko, puro mukha na lang nakikita nila. Sorry na ha. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Strawberry. Ang sarap ng strawberry, refreshing. Ayoko talaga ng whipped cream. I'm not a fan. Ang tatay talaga ako. Eh, na iniisip ko eh. Yan. That's it. Siguro season ngayon ng strawberry kasi ang dami ko nakikita ng strawberry.
Hindi ko makita kung nasaan. Sky Lounge. Sky dinner at Sky Lounge top of the tree. Saan kaya yun?
Hi. Anything you wanna say?
Just that one. Thank you so much. True. True. Soup.
Yum. Ang sarap ng pumpkin. Grabe.
Oh my gosh, look. Milaw na siya.
So cute. Look at this. Nahulog ko siya. Cheers. Cheers. Shrimp. I have another one. Cheers. Fish siya. Shrimp. Ito yung fish nila.
Hi. Happy birthday to self.
Yum. So, kumain ako kanina ng parang gelatinous with yuzu. Yum. And then, with dark chocolate. Yum. And then, now, they serving me this. This is like an ice cream. I mean, this is an ice cream, right? Yeah. Ang sarap. I think I have to bite. May coffee siya. Para siyang maroons. Tawag doon. Maroon ba? Macaroons. Para siyang maroons. Maroons. I was like, what's maroons? Macaroons. Ah. May macaron siya. Lasa siyang macaron. Ayoko ng whipped cream. So, macaron siya. Yung shell niya, nasa siyang macarons. Very light. Natutunaw siya doon sa bunganga. Sa dila mo. Pero, and then it has a little bit of caramel and then coffee. Yung coffee niya para siyang dinalgona. Tapos nilagay siya on top. And then whipped cream. Kasi hindi ako fan ng whipped cream. Then I have this. Cheers. So ito, strawberry naman siya. Strawberry with whipped cream. Ang sarap ng strawberry ngayon ah. Matamis siya. Ang narapan na whipped cream talaga eh. Try natin. I'm so sorry. Hindi talaga ako fan ng whipped cream. Oh, it's a cake! It's a cake. It's my mini cake. They gave me tea. Thank you so much. Pagod na ako ngayon. Pero I enjoy going to Team Labs and then Sky 3. I think I spend a lot of time in Sky 3. I can go to Sensoji Temple after. But I'm so beat up. Pagod na talaga. Thank you so much. I have to pay.